Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam and I talk all about quilting here on my channel. And today marks week 7 of my Cozy Picnic Quilt Along. So we've been doing a quilt along for my pattern, Cozy Picnic. So this is a really fun beginner friendly pattern. It has 5 size options in there from baby all the way up to king size quilt. The past several weeks we've been making this quilt from start to finish. So this week is kind of a light week video wise, so it's going to be a short video, but we are in our second week of quilting. So I gave everybody 2 weeks to get your quilt quilted. So whether you're quilting it yourself or possibly able to get a long armor to get it quilted in that amount of time, I don't know about that. Long armors can have a long wait list. So I don't know, but we are quilting our quilt this week. I got about half of my quilt quilted, so I'm going to show you that just so you can see what it looks like. Last week's video, I did a tutorial on how to do the specific quilting that I'm doing on my quilt. So it's a really cute free motion quilting with daisies and leaves. It looks really, really nice on this pattern, by the way. This is what my quilt looks like, if you haven't seen it yet. It's very lovely. And I'm gonna lay this out on my table and then show you with the camera so you can see it. But the quilting just looks so happy and cute. And like I said, I have about half the quilt quilted, but this is what we're working on this week. So there is the quilting. Doesn't it look nice? It's so cute. So here's a leaf. Here's a flower. Here's where am I? There's another flower. It was a really fun design. It's very beginner friendly. If you are not super comfortable with doing free motion quilting, you can do this. It takes a little practice, but I would love to see some of you guys try this one out because look how good it looks on this quilt. It just looks so nice. It's got plenty of curves. I think kind of a quilting with some curves in it looks really nice with this pattern since the pattern is just all squares and rectangles. So your assignment for this week is to finish up your quilting. I can't wait to see what everyone is doing. Let me know in the comments below what kind of quilting you're planning on doing for yours. This week, we're finishing up our quilting, right? The next week is our last week of the quilt along, and that's gonna be trimming up the quilt and doing the binding. So this has gone really, really fast. This is probably the quilt along that's felt like it's gone the fastest, I think. Probably because it's summertime and just a lot of stuff is happening at this time of year. So our last video is going out on June 19th, okay? That's week 8. And then the following Friday, so June 26th, is the day that I would like to have your photos of your completed quilt sent to me. And if you do that, you get entered into a giveaway that I will be doing. So I'll be doing a fun giveaway from things from my shop, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. I always love doing a giveaway at the end of these things. So if you finish your quilt, get your picture emailed to me by June 26th, okay? And that's a Friday. And then at the end of June 26th, I will choose a winner, and then we'll go from there, okay? So my email to email that photo is miriam@stitchobsessed.com. I'll pop that up here on the screen. And then also my email address is in the description box of all of my videos. They're at the bottom somewhere down there. I can't wait to see your finished quilt. It doesn't have to be the throw size quilt. I've been making the throw size, but you can make any size from the pattern that you want, okay? So it does not have to be that specific size. It can even be something that's not in the pattern, okay? If you made a table runner that you're really proud of and you want to enter it in, that would be totally fine as well, okay? So I'm not super picky with that, but you need to actually use the blocks at least for the giveaway, okay? Then at the end of this month also, I am tentatively planning on releasing a new pattern, okay? So that June 26th video, I will hopefully be releasing my new free pattern for you guys. I'm really excited about it. I'm actually going to a quilt retreat this weekend with my guild. I don't know if I talked about this on my channel, but I joined a quilt guild. I think I joined in like January or February, but I've been trying to go to the meetings and things and getting to know people in the group and stuff, and it's a really great guild. I really, really like them. They're very, very kind and welcoming, and that's always a good thing. I need to do an entire video just on that, about quilt guilds and welcoming new people in. I'm going to be going to a retreat, and I'm going to be working on that quilt at the retreat. So I'm hoping to get a lot done for that, so I have an actual sample quilt to show you. I'll at least have the quilt top done by that Friday. I don't know if I'll have the entire quilt done. We will see. We'll see how productive I can be these next couple of weeks. But that is the plan, okay? So the release of the pattern will be tentatively June 26th. And also, I think I'm going to plan on having a sale that day as well in my shop, or like over that weekend, just because it's time to start moving some of the fabric out. I've had some of it in the shop for a few months now, and I want to keep the inventory moving, right? So we're going to have a sale, which will be fun. That's the tentative plan for the rest of this month, okay? I have other things up my sleeve as well, and I'm excited to share with you some things that I've been doing and kind of my thought process through trying to balance having a quilting channel where I'm talking about quilting, I'm teaching quilting, and I'm sharing my projects and things, and just having quilting as my hobby. So it's a balance, you know, because when you start making your hobby your job, there's a danger zone of it not being a hobby anymore and you're not really enjoying it anymore. And I think I kind of got to that point for a while there, and I am actively working to shift back to having some sewing time that's just for fun. It's going to be a process, but I'm going to bring you guys along that journey and share what I'm doing, and I think it's going to be fun, and yeah. So but thank you so much for watching this video. It's another short one. Short and sweet, right? At least for me. I'm a little long-winded sometimes. But thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you have any questions about the sew along, please let me know. If you have not joined in the sew along thus far, that's totally fine. These videos are going to stay up on the channel. So whenever you choose to make this quilt, you can go and watch that playlist of videos where I walk you through each step of making the quilt. So I wanted to leave those up, so if anyone purchases the pattern later on, they still have the video tutorials on how to do the blocks and fabric selection, all of that. So if you're interested in the pattern, but you kind of feel like you're missing out on the quilt along, don't worry. The quilt along is going to be up on the channel. I'm planning on forever, okay? All right, that about wraps it up. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon, okay? Bye.